Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about sum function in Python programming language. Sum function in Python. What is a sum function and why is it used? Sum function is used to calculate the sum of given iterables. Now let us discuss the parameters for this function. Sum of iterables, start. Here start is an optional one. Now let us discuss the return type for this function. Sum function returns the sum of given iterables. Now let's check our function in Python code. NumList equal to list of map of int of input.split. Print sum of numList. Let's run our code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 will be our output. Here we got 15. Let's check for another test case. 10, 20, 30, 40. 100 must be our output. Yes, we got 100. Hope you guys understood this function. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.